Imagine a rocket piercing the silence of space, while on a distant planet another machine, silently, patiently uncovers a secret rock that could rewrite what we know about Mars. Today, the future of space exploration grew a little brighter, and the universe just got a new mystery to solve. NASA News. 27 November 2025. Mission: Mars and the next giant leap. This is your update from Beyond Earth. Welcome to your channel name. Setting the stage. Why this moment matters right now. Two big stories are unfolding simultaneously. A new crew is launching to join the orbiting lab where humans live and work hundreds of kilometers above Earth. And on Mars, a rover digging through billions-year-old soil may have found a meteorite. A piece of cosmic history. Both remind us. Space isn't silent. It's alive with danger, discovery, and possibility. These events don't just belong in science journals. They belong to all of us, to our curiosity, to our future. Let's dive in. The mission launch. Soyuz MS-28 takes off on the 27th of November 2025. The Soyuz MS-28 rocket lifted off from Baikonur Cosmodrome, Kazakhstan. WSLS +2, Wikipedia +2 aborted were 3 astronauts. Chris Williams from NASA on his first mission. Sergei Kudzverchkov. Roshan cosmonaut. GeoNews Plus to NASA +2. Just 3 hours later, the spacecraft docked automatically with the International Space Station, ISS, expanding the station's crew and bringing fresh energy for the next 8 months of experiments, research, and possibly discoveries. NASA +2. This launch marks a vital step not just for human presence in orbit, but for global cooperation in space, science, and the drive to push the boundaries of what's possible. Mars, Perseverance, rovers, possible meteorite discovery. While humans ride rockets to orbit, another explorer is roaming the barren deserts of Mars. On September 2nd, 2025, Sol 1612 of its mission, the Perseverance Rover observed a strange, isolated rock on the rim of the Jezero Crater. It stood out, tall, sculpted, nothing like the flat, fragmented rocks around it. Space +2. Astrobiology +2. NASA scientists targeted the rock, nicknamed Phipsoxla, with the rover's SuperCam instrument. The results: high levels of iron and nickel, signature elements of meteorites that originated from asteroid cores. NASA Space News +2. Astrobiology +2. If confirmed, this would be Perseverance as first meteorite discovery on Mars. Potentially a priceless fragment from another world, now resting silently on the red planet. Why is this important? Because meteorites carry clues to the formation of the solar system, to ancient collisions, to materials older than Earth itself. A single rock, millions of years of history. One rover, an entire world. Watching parallel stories, Earth plus Mars, different worlds, same promise, back on Earth. The crew aboard Soyuz MS-28 is preparing for experiments, biology, physics, materials, science, expanding human reach. Meanwhile, on Mars, Perseverance is rewriting what we know about planetary geology and cosmic history. It is a reminder, whether orbiting Earth or roaming Mars, humanity's quest to explore, learn, and expand never stops. One milestone fuels the next. One discovery demands another. And as space agencies, scientists, and dreamers look beyond Earth, we all take part in this journey. Why right now is huge. A fully staffed ISS means more research, more innovation, more potential breakthroughs. A meteorite on Mars means one more clue in the puzzle of the solar system's birth. It means that our investment in rockets, rovers, funding, human curiosity continues to pay off in unexpected ways. These aren't isolated events. They are interconnected steps in a grand story of exploration that could shape the future of humanity. What's next, and what we should watch over the next 8 months? The new ISS crew will run experiments that may impact life on Earth, medicine, climate research, materials science. The Perseverance team will analyze Vipscala in detail. Spectrometry, compositional studies, maybe even cache data for future Mars sample return missions. Beyond that, more missions, more discoveries, from the Moon, from Mars, from deep space. The only constant is change. The only limit is human ambition. Space is more than science fiction. It's real. It's now. It's part of our shared future. If you're fascinated by stars, by Mars, by rockets and rovers, then you belong here. Subscribe to AADID for more updates, deep dives, and stories from across the cosmos. Hit the like button if this journey inspired you. Drop a comment. What discovery fascinates you most? Life on Mars? Or a permanent human home in space? Because every star we reach begins with curiosity. Until next time, keep looking up.